coordinate is a verb you'll hear all the time in meetings, projects, and team communication. You're now going to learn how to use coordinate in the present, past, and future, and see how it's used in real workplace conversations. To coordinate means to 1. Organise and manage different people, activities, or parts so they work well together. 2. Make sure actions happen in the correct order and at the right time. Coordinate is a regular verb. The present tense is coordinate. The past tense is coordinated. And the past participle is coordinated. You can use coordinate in a few different ways. Firstly, you can use coordinate with a noun. For example, coordinate a project, coordinate tasks, or coordinate a team. Secondly, you can coordinate with a person or a group. For example, coordinate with suppliers. And thirdly, you can coordinate and use the how or when clauses. For example, coordinate how the work is done. The following are some common uses of the verb coordinate. Number 1, you can coordinate a project. Number 2, coordinate activities. Number 3, coordinate schedules. Number 4, coordinate with teams or partners. And number 5, coordinate logistics. We're now going to look at the present forms of the verb coordinate. The first present form is the present simple, and it's used for habits, routines, roles, and general facts. 2 example sentences include: I coordinate cross-team projects. She coordinates schedules between departments. The present continuous of the verb coordinate is used for actions happening now or temporary situations. Its structure is subject plus am, is, or are, plus the verb ending in ing. And 2 example sentences include: I am coordinating the launch this week. She is coordinating with suppliers today. The present perfect of the verb coordinate is used for actions completed in the past that are relevant now. The structure for the present perfect is subject plus have or has plus the past participle, and the past participle of the verb coordinate is coordinated. Example sentences include: I have coordinated several complex projects. She has coordinated all departments successfully. The present perfect continuous is used for showing how long an action has been happening up to now. The structure for the present perfect continuous of the verb coordinate is subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ending in ing. Example sentences include: I have been coordinating the rollout since March. She has been coordinating teams across regions. Next, we will look at the past forms of the verb coordinate. The past simple is used for finished actions at a specific time in the past. Its structure is subject plus past tense of the verb, which is coordinated. Example sentences include: I coordinated the event last month. She coordinated the schedule during the crisis. The past continuous of the verb coordinate is used for actions that were in progress at a past moment. The structure for this is subject plus was or were plus the verb ending in ing. Example sentences include: I was coordinating tasks when the plan changed. She was coordinating logistics during the meeting. The past perfect of the verb coordinate is used for actions completed before another past action. Its structure is subject plus had plus past participle. The past participle of coordinate is coordinated. 2 example sentences are: I had coordinated everything before the deadline. She had coordinated the teams before the launch. The past perfect continuous is used for showing how long an action had been happening before a past point. Its structure is subject plus had plus been plus verb ending in ing. And two example sentences are, I had been coordinating activities for 3 months before the rollout. She had been coordinating operations long before the audit. You're now going to learn the future forms of the verb coordinate. The future simple uses will, and it's used for decisions made at the moment, promises or predictions. Its structure is subject plus will plus the base verb coordinate. Example sentences are, I will coordinate the next phase of the project. She will coordinate communication across teams. The future continuous of the verb coordinate is used for actions that will be in progress at a future time. The future continuous structure is subject plus will plus be plus verb with ing. Two example sentences are, I will be coordinating tasks during the transition. She will be coordinating the teams next week. The future perfect of the verb coordinate is used for actions that will be completed before a specific future time. The structure is subject plus will plus have plus past participle. The past participle of coordinate is coordinated. Examples include, I will have coordinated all activities by Friday. She will have coordinated the process by then. The future perfect continuous of coordinate is used for showing how long an action will have continued up to the future point. The structure for this is subject plus will plus have plus been plus the verb ending in ing. And examples include, I will have been coordinating the project for 1 year next month. By Friday, she will have been coordinating the team for 1 year. Going to is used for planned intentions. The structure for this is subject plus am, is or are, plus going to, plus the base verb coordinate. Example sentences include, I am going to coordinate the onboarding process. She is going to coordinate with external partners. Alex and Emma are now going to have a conversation in which they use each of the tenses we have covered.
I coordinate projects across departments.
Right now, you're coordinating the product launch.
Yes, I have coordinated several teams already.
And you have been coordinating with suppliers since March.
Last year, I coordinated a major company event.
I remember you were coordinating tasks when the plan changed.
That's right. I had coordinated everything before the deadline.
And you had been coordinating operations for months by then.
Next quarter, I will coordinate the new workflow.
During that time, you will be coordinating multiple teams.
By Friday, I will have coordinated all activities.
And by then, you will have been coordinating projects for years.
I'm also going to coordinate with our external partners.
Here's a useful table which includes each of the tenses for the verb coordinate. The table includes the tense, the meaning, and an example sentence for each tense. Please take a moment to look at this, and if you like, you can pause the video to look at it in more detail. Finally, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and as always, keep learning.